Good morning to all of you. Hello. So today we can start a new topic, redemption of debentures. So give the heading, redemption of debentures, redemption of debentures. A company can issue, a company can issue two types of debentures, two types of debentures, namely PIZ म्हणजे namely redeemable and irredeemable debentures, irredeemable debentures, full stop. Redeemable debentures are redeemed. Redeemable debentures are redeemed after a specific period. After a specific period, as per the terms and conditions, as per the terms and conditions, full stop. Irredeemable debentures are irredeemable debentures are not to be redeemed or not to be redeemed or paid back, redeemed or paid back full stop. Repayment of amount, repayment of amount due to the debenture holders, due to the debenture holders at an agreed date, at an agreed date is called redemption of debentures, redemption of debentures. In simple words, redemption means repayment of debenture capital, repayment of debenture capital to the debenture holders, to the debenture holders Full stop. Debenture holders may be paid. Debenture holders may be paid or repaid or repaid in the form of cash, in the form of cash, or by issue of, or by issue of shares or debentures, shares or debentures depending upon the terms, depending upon the terms of redemption, of redemption. The Companies Act 2013, the Companies Act 2013 provides that a company shall pay interest, a company shall pay interest and redeem the debentures, and redeem the debentures according to the terms, according to the terms of issue and redemption, of issue and redemption. Full stop. Irredeemable debentures, irredeemable debentures are paid, are paid at the time of, at the time of winding up of the company, winding, WINDING, winding up of the company, full stop. Next line, give the heading. Methods of redemption of debentures, methods of redemption of debentures. Following are some of the, following are some of the different methods or ways, different methods or ways of redemption of debentures, of redemption of debentures. Next line, number 1, redemption in lump sum, LUMP SUM, redemption in lump sum. underline. Under this method, debentures are redeemed. Debentures are redeemed in one lump sum. In one lump sum amount. In one lump sum amount after a specified period is after a specified period is over. Specified period is over. Full stop. In other words, the payment is made to the debenture holders. The payment is made to the debenture holders on one-time payment. On one-time payment. Full stop. The company will pay. The company will pay the total amount. The total amount to the debenture holders. To the debenture holders full stop. As the company is knowing, as the company is knowing, the date of repayment, the date of repayment the company may plan the finances in advance accordingly. In advance accordingly. Full stop. According to the SEBI's guidelines, according to the SEBI's guidelines, the company has made a provision. The company has made a provision for such payment. For such payment. Full stop. For making the payment in one time. For making the payment in one time, the company setups, the company setups, a special provision, a special provision which is known as, which is known as प्रत्येकाचं पहिलं अक्षर कॅपिटल काढा, which is known as debentures redemption reserve, debentures redemption reserve into bracket DRR into bracket DRR bracket complete, or sinking fund, sinking fund, full stop. In the case of sinking fund, in the case of sinking fund, every year certain amount is set aside from the profit, set aside from the profit, and this is invested, and this is invested in the outside business securities, in the outside business securities. For 5 to 10 years, for 5 to 10 years, the investment is made, the investment is made, and every year, and every year a fixed amount of interest is received, a fixed amount of interest is received on such investment, on such investment, which again reinvested, which again reinvested along with the next installment, along with the next installment, set aside from the company, set aside from the company. Full stop. This investment is sold, this investment is sold in the last year, in the last year, and the redemption of debentures is, and the redemption of debentures is done by the company. For example, example, if a company issued if a company issued rupees 20 lakhs rupees 20 lakhs 15% debentures 15% debentures which are to be redeemed which are to be redeemed after 5 years after 5 years from the date of allotment from the date of allotment the amount is paid back after completion of 5 years. The amount is paid back after completion of 5 years. Number 2, redemption in installments. Redemption in installments by drawing lots, DRAWING, by drawing lots, LOTS, under this method, the redemption of debentures is made. The redemption of debentures is made in installments. In installments or by drawing lots or by drawing lots. For example, company issued 20 lakhs. Company issued 20 lakhs. 15% debentures. 15% debentures on 1st April 2012. On 1st April 2012. And to be redeemed by annual drawings of rupees 4 lakhs per year, of rupees 4 lakhs per year. So up to the up to the 2016, the debentures are to be redeemed The debentures are to be redeemed in the lots. In the lots. Full stop. The following procedure is to be followed. The following procedure is to be followed for the redemption in installments. For the redemption in installments. Next line ला A आकडा द्या. To prepare slips of outstanding. To prepare slips, SLIPS. To prepare slips of outstanding debentures containing the different numbers. Containing the different numbers. म्हणजे समजा जर 1001 पासून 1100 पर्यंत डिबेंचर्स असतील तर त्याचे समजा 5 लॉट करायचे. जे 20 20 20 अशा पद्धतीने लॉट करून 100 डिबेंचर्स रिडीम केले जातील. 1001 ते 1020 किंवा 1021 ते 1030 अशा पद्धतीने लॉट केले जातील. नंबर बी, put them in box. Put them in box. प्रत्येक नंबरचे 10 नंबरचे लॉट करायचे आणि एक सेपरेट बॉक्स ठेवायचा. 1 ते 20, 21 ते 30, 31 ते 40 अशा पद्धतीने लॉट काढून ते बॉक्स मध्ये ठेवले जातात. Put them in box. C, mix the slips thoroughly. Mix the slips thoroughly. त्या सगळ्या चिठ्ठ्या पुन्हा एकत्रित करायच्या. आपण कसे एखादी बीसी वगैरे काढतो, सगळ्यांच्या चिठ्ठ्या नावाच्या काढतो आणि त्याच्यातल्या समजा किती उचलायच्या त्या पद्धतीने ठरवलं जातं. Mix the slips thoroughly. THROUGHLY. Number D, take out a random required number of slips equal to the debentures redeemed. जे 100 स्लिपा बनवायच्या, त्या बॉक्स मध्ये ठेवायच्या, पुन्हा त्या बॉक्स मधले सगळे एकत्रित करायचे आणि वर्षाला लकी ड्रॉ प्रमाणे त्या स्लिप सगळ्या एकत्रित करायच्या आणि त्याच्यातल्या 10 उचलायच्या. कुणाचा का नंबर असेल ना त्याला रिडम्पशन करायचं. नंबर ई, redeem those debentures as per the numbers or slips selected. As per the numbers or slips selected. Number 3, redemption by purchase of own debentures. Redemption by purchase of own debentures. underline. In this case, the company purchase its own debentures. The company purchase its own debentures for immediate cancellation, for immediate, IMMEDIATE, for immediate cancellation. Full stop. Purchase of own debentures, purchase of own debentures in the open market, in the open market, and the amount of redemption, is paid to the debenture holders, is paid to the debenture holders. Number 4, redemption by conversion of debentures, redemption by conversion of debentures under this method, debentures are redeemed by converting them into equity shares of the company, Full stop. In practice, the debentures are not to be, converted into preference shares, So only conversion in equity shares, is done for the redemption of debentures. Full stop. Automatically, the debenture holders becomes equity shareholders, or the real owners of the company, Next heading, the sources of redemption of debentures. आता जे प्रिफरन्स शेअरच्या बाबतीमध्ये सोर्सेस होते, तसेच रिडम्शनच्या बाबतीमध्ये आहेत, त्यामुळे मी जास्त डिटेलमध्ये लिहून देणार नाही. रिडम्शन, सोर्सेस ऑफ रिडम्शन ऑफ डिबेंचर्स. The debentures are to be redeemed from the following sources. Redeemed from the following sources: or by using the following funds. Or by using the following funds. Next line, number 1. Redemption out of capital. Redemption out of capital. दोन दोन वाक्य फक्त लिहून देतो, महत्वाची अंडरलाइन करा. Payment to the debenture holders. Payment to the debenture holders is made out of the capital of company. Is made out of the capital of the company. And not from out of profit. Not from out of profit. The amount of profit utilized for redemption of debentures is prohibited. Redemption of debentures is prohibited. The total redemption out of capital. The total redemption out of capital is also not fully possible. Is also not fully possible. So less than a period of 18 months. So less than a period of 18 months. The redemption is made out of capital. The redemption is made out of capital. 18 months ला अंडरलाइन करा. म्हणजे 1.5 वर्षाच्या डिबेंचर्स परतफेड करायच्या असतील तरच कॅपिटलचा वापर करता येतो. नंबर 2. Redemption out of profits. Redemption out of profits. Under these sources of redemption, sources of redemption. Debentures are redeemed only from the debentures are redeemed only from out of profits earned by the company, out of profits earned by the company, the amount of profit is transferred, the amount of profit is transferred to profit and loss appropriation account, to profit and loss appropriation account, and then it is used for creation of DRR, used for creation of DRR. Number 3, redemption of the debentures by creating sinking fund account, by creating sinking fund account, as per this source, the company set aside certain amount of the profits, certain amounts of the profits every year, certain amounts of the profits every year, and invest the same in the outside securities, outside securities. The investment is made in such a way, the investment is made in such a way that cash required for redemption, that cash required for redemption will become equal to the amount of debentures redemption, the amount of debentures redemption. नंबर 3, पुढचा कितवा नंबर आहे? 4 का जो काय असेल तो कंटिन्यू नंबरिंग करा. डिबेंचर रिडम्पशन फंड, डिबेंचर रिडम्पशन फंड और सिंकिंग फंड or sinking fund. तर असे हे वेगवेगळे प्रकार आहेत. त्यानुसार रिडम्पशन ऑफ डिबेंचर्स केलं जातं. फक्त महत्वाच्या गोष्टी काही लक्षात ठेवायच्या. डिबेंचर होल्डर्स are refund their amount by using the capital, out of capital, sometimes out of profits, then creation of DRR, then amount is paid in installment in lump sum amount, and conversion of debentures is to be made in the equity shares, and the debenture holders are become the real owners. तर अशी ही डिबेंचरच्या रिडम्पशनची माहिती थोडक्यातच तुम्हाला दिलेली आहे. ह्याच्यापेक्षा बाकी प्रॉब्लेम वगैरे मी काय आता याचे घेणार नाही, कारण सेम प्रॉब्लेम प्रिफरन्स शेअर्स रिडम्पशन सारखेच आहेत. तर उद्या आपण ऑडिटिंगला सुरू करू. ऑडिटिंग राहिलेले दिवस उद्या बुधवार, गुरुवार, शुक्रवार, शनिवार 4 दिवस आपण ऑडिटिंग घेऊ आणि 4थ्या दिवसापर्यंत जेवढा सिलेबस होईल. आता फायनान्शियल अकाउंटिंगचे प्रॉफिट प्रायर टू इनकॉर्पोरेशन, त्याच्यानंतर रिडम्पशन ऑफ प्रिफरन्स शेअर्स, रिडम्पशन ऑफ डिबेंचर्स, एवढे टॉपिक आपले झालेले आहेत. तर त्याच्यामध्ये एकूण 50 प्रश्न तुम्हाला विचारले जातील. आता कंपनी इंट्रोडक्शन टू कंपनी अकाउंट पण आपला टॉपिक झालेला आहे, जे जवळजवळ इश्यू ऑफ शेअर्स, इश्यू ऑफ डिबेंचर्स, रिडम्पशन ऑफ प्रिफरन्स शेअर्स, रिडम्पशन ऑफ डिबेंचर्स, हे सगळे टॉपिक झालेले आहेत. त्यामुळं 10 मल्टी चॉईस क्वेश्चन्स हे 5 टॉपिकवर प्रत्येकी 10 प्रमाणे 50 क्वेश्चन तुम्हाला मल्टिपल चॉईस क्वेश्चन विचारले जातील. ते सगळेच्या सगळे तुम्हाला सोडवायचे आहेत आणि 50 एका मल्टिपल चॉईस क्वेश्चनला 1 मार्क असेल. 50 पैकी जेवढी तुम्हाला मिळतील तेवढी 100 मध्ये त्याचं रूपांतर केलं जाईल. समजा 50 पैकी 40 मिळाले तर 100 पैकी 80, 25 मिळाले तर 50, 30 मिळाले तर 60, म्हणजे काय असतील ते. 40ला पासिंग आहे, 20च्या आत मार्क पडली तर नापास होईल, त्यामुळे तेवढी दखल घ्यायची. 18 दोन्ही 36 मिळाले तर नापास होईल. त्यामुळं जेवढे मल्टिपल चॉईस क्वेश्चन जे आता मी सिलेबस घेतलाय तेवढ्यावरतीच विचारले जातील. त्याच्यामध्ये सोपे असतील, अवघड असतील, सगळ्यांची तयारी करा. काहींचे प्रॉब्लेमच्या स्वरूपामध्ये असतील, कॅल्क्युलेशन करावे लागतील. त्यामुळे मोगम पंचे विदाउट कॅल्क्युलेशन कुठलाही क्वेश्चन सोडवू नका. अंदाज पंचे काही करू नका. डोक्यामध्ये तुमच्या प्रॉब्लेम तेवढ्यासाठी घेतलेत की आपल्याला कुठली कशी पद्धत वापरायची आणि कशी अमाऊंट काढायची हे तुम्हाला समजलं पाहिजे. उद्यापासून ऑडिटिंग आपण 4 दिवस सलग घेऊ. ओके, बाय.